In the name of Allah. Many people think Islam did not value women, but if we look carefully, the importance given to women by Islam cannot be found and very else. When we turn the page of a story, that women very worked and sold like commodities in search and room. Even in more than 20 years, women in America and Europe were not allowed to vote, being deprived of social rights. 1400 years ago, Islam unified the rights of men and women, and degraded women's rights, and gave them the rights to participate in economic, political, and cultural fields. In the meantime, he introduced Hazrat Zahra as her role model so that we can learn from every moment of her life and enlighten our lives.